Guessing someone's astrological sign can be a fun challenge. To get started, spend some time researching the personality traits that are associated with each of the signs. For instance, people with Aries as their sun sign have a reputation for being hot-tempered and stubborn, while Scorpios are supposed to be mysterious and passionate. In addition to personality, a person's sign is also thought to influence their physical traits. For example, if the person has thick, dark hair and dark eyes, you might guess that they're a Leo. On the other hand, someone with dimpled cheeks and a thin nose has traits associated with a Libra. The astrological signs can also be categorized into groups that share certain common characteristics. For instance, fire signs such as Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius are associated with active, athletic personalities, whereas water signs such as Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces are connected with more passive traits as well as strong emotional sensitivity. Once you've become familiar with the signs and their traits, spend some time observing the person whose sign you want to guess. Ask yourself questions like, are they impulsive and spontaneous? Or do they tend to think carefully about the possible consequences before they act? Are they outgoing and confident, or shy and retiring? Or, how do they act when dealing with a conflict or confrontation? Once you've found some answers, check them against the traits you know are associated with each sign. You can also try comparing the person's behaviors and personality with those of other people you already know, especially if you happen to know their signs. After you've made your guess, ask the person to tell you their birth date. Then, you can check your guess by finding their sign on a birth chart or zodiac calendar.